Hi, Firdausa Stover with Fox News Channel. Have you spoken with the Maryland Governor, Wes Moore, about the challenges with MDTA?
Have I spoken with Governor Wes Moore about the challenges with MDTA? Our investigative team has worked well with MDTA throughout the investigation. They have gotten a lot of information from them. They didn't have the information to provide. So it wasn't that they were withholding the information, but they didn't have the data that needed to go into that calculation. Why that is another issue. They should have had that data. We did the work, but they have worked well with our team. Yes, sir, and then I'll go over here.
The question is about the data. Sam Janus, Baltimore Sun. Do you know if they have changed any of their data collection systems, and if they even have the data to have a full risk assessment for the Bay Bridge at this point?
Does MDTA have the data to do a full risk assessment of the Chesapeake Bay Bridge? They've certainly had enough notice to go ahead and get that data together. This is part of our recommendations where we are asking urging Federal Highway Administration, the U.S. Coast Guard, and others to work with the states to help them do that. So hopefully they'll be able to take action, but this is a great question for MDTA on what they do have available for the Chesapeake Bay.